Alright, this was my 20-day challenge for memory and other things, and I was going to solve a Rubik's Cube after being given one. My daughter was given one by her cousins, and I thought, you know what, I will go ahead and figure out how to do it, how to get a Rubik's Cube done by using memory techniques. I thought it would be a fun way, because you have to learn algorithms, and I learned the beginner's method on how to solve a Rubik's Cube, and I figured, hey, let's have some fun and learn it. After the boys had learned it, they did a great job with theirs. They actually got a lot of a lot faster. I actually gave her a speed cube. This is a regular standard Rubik's Cube. It was a little bit slower, but I learned a great deal of things about the Rubik's Cube, which was actually kind of cool, about speed cubing, about how people solve them. I'm using, again, a very beginner method to solve Rubik's Cube. I'm going to be honest with you, I've done this video now 3 times, and I've screwed it up each time. So we will see if I can actually get it done this time. But very interesting community of people, and it really has to do with memory, and that's one of the reasons why I was kind of drawn to Sarah's cube that she'd been given by the boys. She'd taken it apart to solve it, which is exactly what I think even Matthew and I did as children. Matthew first, he received it and took it apart. Or did he take the stickers off? I think he took it apart. The mechanics of it are actually pretty cool, and I just thought it would be a great way, because you're supposed to, for memory. Now, I did learn it by rote and by repetition, so it's a little bit different. I was trying to learn a different technique, but so this is kind of dedicated to the boys and Sarah as a way that I was going to learn how to do something, and I thought it'd be a fun exercise to learn how to do something with memory and be able to use those techniques and the memory techniques, and also learn something in 20 days. Give myself 20 minutes a day. I've been kind of doing it at work, at the house. It's just been like a really fun thing to learn how to do, because the boys got really good at it, and I was really, really impressed, and happy that they were able to learn something that a lot of people don't know how to do, and it seems daunting. And that was also one of the kind of the fun things about doing it, right? Is that you say to yourself, "Holy cow, I can't learn how to do that." And right now, like, I don't have anything in front of me. This is the first day I've been able to do it without looking at something, so we're going to see if I can actually make it. But beginner method obviously was to do these pieces here, and then now, and I'm using a lot of moves, which is fine. I'm not a speed cuber, but so let's see if I can actually solve it though. So, oh, look at that. Alright, well, that's interesting. I've never had that happen before, but that's where we are. And I was just trying to get the yellow cross here, but now I have to move some stuff around. The corner pieces are not in the right space, neither are the side pieces here or here. So first I'm going to try rotating the side pieces with a little bit of magic. Let's see here. So let's move these side pieces around. Let's bring this one here. Oh wait, now the side pieces are correct, because all I did is rotate it. So again, nice. Now I need to move around these corner pieces. So I'm going to do that now with this one. Uh-oh, I think I jacked it up. I did jacked it up. I always get that one wrong. Why do I always get that one wrong? See how easy we can put it back. And that one algorithm always gets me. Ugh, we just kind of screwed up a little more than I wish to, but alright. So, but again, learning process. Let's get this piece back down here. Alright, so we're back. Back to there. Okay. I've heard that people don't like to watch these videos because they're kind of annoying to watch. I still have some out there. I'm trying to match the waterfall pieces, but that's what I call them. But I had it so easy earlier. Still, I hate that. These two will do it. I'll get a negative turn first. What am I doing? Not row. Again, the beginner method allows me to not have to do. See, this is all janky. Dang it. It's obviously one of the algorithms that's. See? Ugh. Almost there, but nope. Bugger. Just can't get these two to switch. It's just dastardly. Whoops. Where was I? There I was. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. But still, these two are wrong. Bugger. Okay, here we are. So these now, all the waterfalls work for the yellow cross. So sorry for the length of the video, but all right. Now it's time to get the corner. So I have to match this corner, make sure that the colors, three colors here equal to 3 colors on these sides, which this one does, and then this one doesn't, this one doesn't, and this one doesn't. So now I have to move them around, and there's an algorithm for that. And that's going to be, which one is it? It's the, okay, it's the one I messed up on earlier. So I'm going to go okay, not quite there yet, so I'll do it again. Alright, we have green, orange, green, red, and yellow, red, yellow, and blue. This one's actually good, and this one's good. So now, we're almost there. This trick here can really janky it up if you don't do it right, which I was doing it incorrectly by not spinning the last one. And that's it. So again, dedicated to Brandon and Shane. Really appreciate you guys kind of putting this in our heads. And Sarah for taking hers apart and then having to her not having to put it back together, and then us wanting to take it back apart just to get it back together again. But there were stuff online that allowed us to learn how to do it, at least me learn how to do it, and using memory tools. I have a lot of notes on how to do this. Lots and lots of notes. Lots and lots of notes on how to get her done. Different memory methods on how to get it done. But in the end, I learned how to do it, and I can now solve a Rubik's Cube.